This is a 2014 Subaru 2.5i touring package with 4 cylinders, 2.5 liters and partial zero emissions vehicle. AutoCheck gives this Subaru a score of 87 out of 88 and shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. There's the trunk, the lift gate button to close it. Under here is where your spare tire is. And then if you need the seats to fold down, you can push that button and then those seats would fold down. It has aluminum alloy rims, and I'll zoom in so you can see the tread on the tires. The interior is a gray leather in excellent condition. Here is the back row. And then you also have a panoramic sunroof, so I'm going to show you that when I get in. Here is the passenger seat and the driver's seat. And then there's the panoramic sunroof. Up here you have your lane departure collision alert, sunroof controls, garage door transmitters. Up here where this display screen is where your backup camera will be. You do have navigation. It has XM radio. There's dual climate control, heated seats. Inside the middle console, you have an auxiliary and a USB port. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your adaptive cruise controls, your phone controls and audio controls, power locks, power windows, and traction control in your lift gate. If you're looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Subaru Forester out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!